Hello folks, what is required to crack CAT from now on in? So maybe 2 months and a bit remaining. What does one need now to crack CAT? And so obviously one powerful mock series, very important to know where you stand, how you analyze, how much value you can get from learning, all of that. A good testing engine, something that says, hey, I took this mock, it seems like I'm weak in pipes and cisterns and speed time distance. Can I take a couple of tests on that and then come back? And so a place where you can get your doubts clarified, fundas cleared, a learning engine that contains all the stuff where you can basically go and say, look, I want to revisit trigonometry, I want to revisit coordinate geometry and find that. So beyond all this, you need a little bit of magic, a little bit of that extra something, which is a set of revision classes which cover all of this, which take everything and then give you that X factor, something that that can push you from say 95th percentile to 99th percentile or 85th percentile to 98th percentile. You know all the fundas, you've read, you've practiced, but you look at a question and it says x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4. Then immediately you're not able to think x square plus 1 by x square whole square, and then I can link this up into something that boosts those elements. And so our revision course is pretty much this, and it's super comprehensive. There's a bunch of elements that we have, like one I discussed. So you take mocks, you can put mocks inside. Since this revision course, I think you'll need to make it bigger. You can take mocks and put them inside. The mocks get counted. On-demand access for content, that is an entire self-paced course sits inside. All the things that you want. Quant, LRDI, verbal, anything that sits inside. An extremely powerful testing engine where you can focus on one topic at a time and cover the whole thing to your spec. Right? A ton of revision classes, super high intensity, where we amp up the revision element, where we don't say, look, let me teach that 3 by 4 is 75%. No, that's not the game, but amp it up really high. Right? During these revision classes, included in the revision classes, there's a bunch of test-taking strategies, mock analysis in great detail. We take a couple of mocks and we think about how can we replicate a set of thought processes that will help during the mock. On top of all of this, there are super workshops. There's one workshop on geometry, one on arithmetic, one on LRDI, one on verbal. All of these workshops are included there. We've already done 2-3 workshops on there's already been one on arithmetic, one on algebra. That content will also get included. So you will have access to a bunch of workshops that have already been seen. So it's a super comprehensive revision course. It involves mocks, testing, learning, high intensity revision classes, testing strategies, and workshops. So everything that you can think of, nothing excluded, sits inside this. It's a beautiful course. Do check out on description the idea about what is the schedule, what is the exact timing, when it will happen, what is the entire framework for it, and also importantly, what kind of discounts you may be eligible for based on your CAT percentile or your 10th and 12th percentages, marks, scores, any of that. Right? So do check it out. It promises to be one hell of a ride. I'm looking forward to it already. We've already started creating content for the revision courses and the revision classes and the workshop. I'm super thrilled that we're going to do this super intensely. Looking forward to seeing a bunch of you there. Right? Best wishes.